Today we bring you an inspiring story of transformation and impact in Ebonyi State's education sector. If you've been wondering about the progress of Ebonyi State University and how Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru is making waves in the educational sector, then sit tight. You'll be amazed at the strides taken to improve the lives of students, lecturers, and the entire academic community in Ebonyi State. Before Governor Nwifuru took office, Ebonyi State University was battling a series of challenges: backlogs of unpaid salaries, inadequate funding, infrastructure deficits, and rising tuition fees that made education unaffordable for many students. The situation was no different from other universities across the country, where economic hardships forced many institutions to hike their fees and struggle with salaries for their teaching and non-teaching staff. But something extraordinary happened in Ebonyi State, a shift, a game changer. While other universities were increasing their tuition fees due to economic constraints, Governor Nwifuru took a different approach. He reduced school fees by 10%. This decision was a huge relief for students and parents who were struggling to keep up with the rising cost of education. This move was a testament to his belief that education should be affordable and accessible to all, not a privilege for the wealthy. Can you believe it? In a time when the cost of living is skyrocketing, Ebonyi State students got a tuition fee reduction. Another major issue plaguing Nigerian universities is the persistent backlog of salaries for academic and non-academic staff. Many universities across the country still owe their lecturers months, even years of unpaid salaries, leading to numerous strike actions. But again, Ebonyi took a different turn. Governor Nwifuru increased salaries for academic staff by 20% and non-academic staff by 10%. This salary increase was not only boosted morale, but also ensured that lecturers could focus on their job, imparting knowledge without distractions or financial stress. In many parts of the country, even the best graduates struggle to find jobs after school. But in Ebonyi State, Governor Nwifuru has instituted a policy that offers immediate lecturing employment to first-class graduates of Ebonyi State University. That's not all. He also provided them with scholarship opportunities for their master's and doctorate degrees. This is a huge step towards retaining the best minds in the state and ensuring that EBSU has a strong faculty filled with young, vibrant, and intelligent lecturers. Instead of losing our best graduates to other states or countries, they are now staying back to contribute to the development of Ebonyi State.
We expect to get somebody to be level 2 or level 1. But if you get to level 10, it's more than that. Sometimes something thousand at level 10. But we said, okay, let's start from level 1 and 2. Since we don't have that, but we anticipate that definitely will happen in this time. And we say that the payment of this minimum wage will start tomorrow.
When Governor Nwifuru assumed office, he inherited a backlog of 300 million naira in salary arrears owed to university staff. But guess what? He cleared it. This was a huge win for the staff who had been waiting for their hard-earned wages. It restored confidence in the government's commitment to workers' welfare and showed that Ebonyi State is serious about prioritizing education. To prevent future salary delays and improve university operations, Governor Nwifuru increased the monthly subvention to Ebonyi State University from 150 million naira to 280 million naira. This was a strategic move to ensure the university had sufficient funds to cater to its need, pay salaries on time, and maintain a conducive learning environment. Let's talk about something revolutionary: free transportation.
This one goes where? Is it, where is this one going? Farm side. Farm side 1. Papa, good morning. Good morning. Well done. This one is going to where? Okay. Okay. How many buses?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay. I hope people are enjoying it.
Yes! Thank you, sir. To the governor. That's why I greet you.
While students in other states struggle with transportation costs, Ebonyi State students enjoy free rides to and fro their institution, thanks to the CNG buses provided by Governor Nwifuru'S administration. This initiative has significantly reduced the financial burden on students and their families. With the rising cost of fuel and transportation, this intervention has been a lifesaver for many students. Imagine the joy of knowing that you don't have to worry about transport fares throughout your academic journey. A great university is not just about the people, but also the infrastructure. Governor Francis has ensured that the internal roads within the permanent site of EBSU, covering 2.4 kilometers, were constructed before the last convocation. He is also constructing state-of-the-art faculty buildings to provide better learning facilities for students and lecturers. These structures will modernize the university and make learning more effective and comfortable. One of the biggest challenges medical students face was their clinical studies at the Federal Teaching Hospital of Abakaliki, FEPA. But Governor Francis went the extra mile by securing the approval of Mr. President to demerge FEPA. Now, medical students can learn and practice more efficiently without unnecessary delays and complications. This is a huge boost for medical education in Ebonyi State and will ensure that students receive top-notch training before they enter the medical profession. Education is very expensive, but in Ebonyi State, Governor Francis is making it easier for students to achieve their dreams. Over 200 students have been sent to the United Kingdom for their master's and doctorate degrees, while more than 500 students have received scholarships to further their studies in Nigeria. This is a clear indication that the government is investing in human capital development, ensuring that Ebonyi State produces highly educated and skilled individuals who can contribute to the state's growth and progress. During a recent event, the president of the National Association of Ebonyi State Students expressed gratitude to Governor Nwifuru, highlighting all these incredible achievements. The students listened attentively, and even the scorching sun couldn't stop them from cheering and applauding the governor. And in response, Governor Francis said, "Your shocking support has challenged me to do more." This means he is not stopping anytime soon. He is ready to take education in Ebonyi State to even greater heights. Within just 1 year and 10 months in office, Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru has revolutionized education in Ebonyi State. His policies and initiatives have touched every aspect of university education, from reducing tuition fees and paying off salary arrears to providing scholarships and improving infrastructure. The message is very clear. Education is a priority in Ebonyi State, and there is still more work to be done. What do you think about all of these incredible transformations? Do you believe Governor Francis will continue to do more for Ebonyi State? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Ebonyi People TV for more updates on the latest developments in Ebonyi State. Stay informed, and we'll see you in our next video.